Have you ever had to stand bail for a friend or family member? Hi, I'm Simon Dippenaar and I'm an attorney. The popularity of TV programs based on law and order has made us all armchair experts in police procedure. But do you really understand how bail works in South Africa? Hope you never need it, but sometimes mistakes happen that lead to arrest. Sometimes an arrest is made unlawfully, but before that can be proven, the accused needs bail. If you or someone you know is arrested, it's important to understand how bail works. Now, what exactly is bail? Bail is a sum of money paid to the court when you are arrested that allows you to be released from custody until your trial. It has nothing to do with the strength of your case or the state's case against you. It's a way of restricting your freedom while the police collect and process evidence in a case. The bail amount is not insignificant, and you get the money back after the trial, whether you are found guilty or not guilty. So it's a strong incentive to stick around. In our law, everyone is assumed not guilty until they are found guilty by a court of law, and no one may be detained without trial. However, you can be held in custody until the court case. Now, if bail is paid, you may return home until the trial. If you fail to show up in court or break any of the bail conditions, you may forfeit your bail money. Now, by law, everyone has the right to apply for bail. In practice, it's not always granted. Bail and the amount will depend on the seriousness of the offense, along with some other factors. There are three types of bail. The first one is police bail. If the offense is not serious, for example, theft under 2,500 Rand, common assault, or exceeding the speed limit, you can apply for bail at the police station when you are arrested and go home to await trial. Second one is prosecutor bail. If you commit a more serious crime, you must apply for prosecutor bail. Examples include culpable homicide, grievous bodily harm, robbery, theft, and others. You apply for prosecutor bail at the police station, but the director of public prosecution or an authorized prosecutor must authorize your release on bail. If bail has not been granted by the police or the DPP, you must be brought to court within 48 hours of arrest. Lastly, court bail for very serious offenses. You must make a formal application to court for bail, and this is done at the first court appearance or any time during the court proceedings. You can either do this by affidavit or by calling witnesses. You have to tell the court about any previous convictions or pending cases. The prosecutor can oppose bail, and the court will rule based on the evidence. Now, with police and prosecutor bail, it's up to the police or prosecutor to prove you shouldn't be granted bail. However, with court bail, it's up to you to persuade the court you are safe to be released. You must convince the court that you won't run away and will attend all court hearings. You are not a danger to other people or to the public safety. You will not commit further crimes. You will not intimidate witnesses or destroy evidence. You will not undermine public order or public security. Not all applications for court bail are approved, so the bail fee will depend on the seriousness of the offense and is determined at the magistrate's discretion. A bail can run into thousands or even hundreds of thousands of Rand. And if you can't afford the amount set, you can request a reduction, but if you are still unable to pay, you will be remanded in custody until your trial. Now, bail is designed to be a strong deterrent to flight and a strong incentive to return to court. If you're arrested, it's essential you call a bail lawyer. I can negotiate bail on your behalf. Don't try to handle this yourself. Save my number in the signature below in your phone. I hope you are never arrested, but I'm here to help you if you are.